You try to attend the test by lunch. Okay, after the lunch or before lunch. Okay. Okay, ma. First question. In BBA, built-in function. Sorry. Which BBA built-in function returns location at the second string at which the second string occurs within the first string. We give one string as the argument, first argument, long string, and there is a short string as the second argument. Which function will give us the location of the second string within the first string? It is instr, inner string. Search for an inner string. Instr is a function which gives location of the second string within the first string. Okay, there is a which missing here. Okay, which keyword is used to declare the variables in project scope? How do we declare project scope variables? It's to be valid all through the project, not within the module, current module. Such a declaration is public. We have dim as a declaration. Dim as a declaration for variables. One. The second one is public. Public variable is accessible everywhere. The third one is private. You cannot access that variable outside the current module. Okay, limited to the current module. Okay, public is the overall access level, global access level. Public, option C. In VBA, how many types of access specifiers are available? How many types of access specifiers? One is public, the other one is private. Only two access specifiers. In Java or C++, there are three types of access specifiers: public, private, and protected. The third one is protected. Whereas VBA restricts it to just two. One is public, other one is private. Okay. Which type of variable cannot be declared within a procedure in VBA? What variable cannot be declared within a procedure? It means அதாவது காத்த டப்பால அடிக்க முடியாது அப்படி சொல்றாங்கல்ல அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகேவா? A procedure is a limited area within which we cannot declare a global scope variable or module scope variable, because when you declare a variable within a procedure, it is valid only within that procedure. Outside the procedure, it's not valid. Module scope variables cannot be declared within a procedure. They can be used, but they cannot be declared. It's like a person who is public, an MLA, minister, chief minister, all of them are public personalities. They have global access. They cannot be confined to their own homes, welfare of their own relatives, such things. Module scope is meant for public access by any function or any portion of the code. Okay, module scope. Public variables cannot be declared in module scope. Which variable recognized only within procedure in which it is declared? When we declare a variable, if its scope is within the procedure itself, we declare procedure something dim x. Within the procedure, we declare dim x. This x will not be available outside the procedure. Then local scope. It is local scope variable. The scope is local. Okay. How many levels of variable scope available in VBA? Variable scoping: module scope, public scope, local scope. Okay, then module procedure scope. Within the procedure, it's not valid even within the module. It's valid only within the procedure. Okay, option C is correct. Four levels of scopes. 4 levels of scopes. What will be the output of the following VBA code? Hash 11/2017. It's YYYYMMDD. Then year first, month next, date 2017-01-01. 2017-01-01 is option C. This is the correct answer. Okay, separated by slash. Here we have given slash. The same slash is provided here. Therefore, 2017-01-01 is the correct answer. Okay. Then 8th one. Which function returns true if expression is valid date, otherwise returns false in VBA? There are some is functions: is date, is number, is int, is DBL. All those things will check whether a data belongs to a variable belongs to particular data type. Okay. Is date is the function which checks for date. It will return true if the given value is date, otherwise false. True if the value is date, otherwise it will return false. Option B is correct. Is date. Is date checks for date. What is the full form of UDF? UDF stands for user defined function, and it's given under option B, user defined function. Okay, UDF. Even this S is not required. UDF is singular. This S is redundant. Okay. Which function returns the day of month, number from 1 to 31, given date value in VBA? When you have a date and you wish to get the day of month, that is day, month, year function. Get, look, in JavaScript we have get date, get month, get year, get full year. All those functions are available in JavaScript. Whereas we need not say get here. Day, month, year. Okay, day is the function which returns date part. Okay. Then which function returns current system date and time in VBA? Now, there is a mistake. Date is a function. Now is Excel function. Now is an Excel function. I don't know whether it is valid in VBA. Date is the function which returns current date. Date is the function which returns current date. We will see what happens. Windows are Excel. Now is a valid function in MS Excel. Now is a valid function in MS Excel. I don't know whether it is available in VBA or not. We have given B as the option. We will see. Alt F11. Insert. User form. Command button. Double click. MSG box. Now you will see what result is produced. Now it's available. Okay, ma. Then option D is correct. Now it's available in VB also. Now is correct. Then which function extracts first 5 characters from a string in VBA? We wish to extract the first leftmost 5 characters. There are functions for left, right, and mid. There are 3 functions to get portions of string from the left side, right side, and center. Okay, left str,5 is the correct answer. For right, it should be str5 on the right. They may change it. You have to be careful when you read this question because they may try to change it to function extract first 5 characters first. It may be written as last. If it is written as last, we have to say right str5. Okay, right now the answer is left. str5 is the answer. Okay, we go in for the next question. Which color of dot indicates breakpoint in VBA? This is very, very important. Many people may be even color blind, whereas such questions are ridiculous. Color may change with versions, whereas they have asked you for the color. It's maroon actually. They have given red as the answer. We shall also keep it as red. Okay, you just look at this. We have the source code. F9 is the is true. I say this is maroon. They say it is red. I don't know the difference. Whereas since they say red, we will also say red. Okay. Because the answer will be evaluated by NIMI, not by us. It may even be wrong. We have to adapt whatever has been given. Okay, option D is correct. Red. Which shortcut key is used to set the properties of form while designing? We are designing a form. We wish to set some properties. What is the shortcut for setting properties? F4 is the option for displaying properties. Press F4, properties will be displayed. Okay. Then, which shortcut key is used to open code window in VBA? For code window, F7 is the option. F7 will give you the code window. This one. This is code window. F7 is a shortcut for code window. F7. Just look at this. F4. F4 is the properties window shortcut. Yeah. Now, which code is used to display a user form in VBA? How do we display a user form? how to display user. User form is displayed using user form number 1, 2, 3, anything dot show. Dot show. Okay. Dot show option B. Dot show option B. Whereas in other languages, set visible. Set visible. Languages like Java have set visible as the function. Set visible true. When we provide set visible true, the window will be displayed. When we say set visible false, the window will be hidden. Whereas here it's show and hide. You can choose to show a window. When the purpose is over, you can hide the window. Dot hide. Okay. Which mathematical function returns square root of a specified number in VBA? SQR. It's not SQRT. In C, C++, Java, JavaScript, all languages, we have SQRT as the function for square root. Whereas here, SQR is the function and it is set option D. Option D provides. Which VBA function is used to convert the string from uppercase to lowercase? L case, R case, U case. Sorry, L case, U case. U case. Okay. For lowercase, we use L case. For uppercase, if we wish to convert it to uppercase, U case is the function. Okay. Which of the following is logical operator in VBA? Logical. Look, arithmetic operators add, subtract, multiply, or divide. All those are arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, star. These are arithmetic operators. Whereas logic is comparison and or not, XOR, all those things fall under logical. And is an operator for logical operations. And option B is correct. Then which character is to be suffixed for long data types in VBA? When we provide a long data type, long number, very long string, you suffix it with ampersand. You suffix it with ampersand. It will understand. VBA will understand that we are providing a long number, large value. Okay. What is the storage size of decimal data type in VBA? Decimal data type. We have, what are the data types? Do you remember in VBA? Byte, integer, float, double, decimal, currency, boolean, variant, then string. String. No remembrance. There are about 10 data types in VBA. Okay, you have all forgotten. Byte, integer, long. Long has been given up. Byte, integer, long, float, double, decimal, currency, variant, string, boolean. Okay, there are 10 data types in VBA and the size is 12 bytes. For double, 8 bytes. For float, 4 bytes. For integer, 4 bytes. 2 bytes, long, 4 bytes. Integer 2 bytes, long 4 bytes. Integer 2 bytes, long 4 bytes. Okay. Then 12 bytes is the length for decimal data type. Okay. Then what is the storage size of currency data type in VBA? Currency has 8 digits as the storage size, equal to double. Equal to double. Whereas double will hold many digits after the dot. Currency will not hold many digits after the dot, but many digits prior to the dot. Okay, it's used for storage of numerical values relating to currency. For billionaires and trillionaires, you need a long portion before the dot and a smaller portion beyond the dot. Okay. How many numeric data types are available in Excel VBA? Byte, integer, long, short or float. Float, double, then currency, then decimal. Decimal, I count around 7. Boolean is not a number. It's only true or false. It is a logical value. Now, numerical values can be held in byte, integer, long, float, double, long, float, double, currency, decimal. There are 7 data types relating to numbers. Okay, 7 is correct answer. Option C is correct. Then what is the other name for keyword in VBA? Keyword is otherwise called reserved word. It's not only in VBA. In all programming languages, keywords or reserved words are meant for use of the language itself. We cannot use them. Okay, if is a keyword. We cannot declare a variable with the name if. It will be confusing. Which keyword is used to declare the variable in VBA? When we declare a variable, what is the keyword we normally adopt? Dim is the keyword we normally adopt for declaring a variable in VBA. Dim X, dim Y, X, Y, Z. Okay. Which data type can hold any type of value in VBA? எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாலும் தாங்குமா ரொம்ப நல்ல வேண்டது யாரு VBA ல variant. Variant can hold string, number, boolean, byte, any value, currency, whatever value. Variant is capable of holding the value. Variant is a universal data type. Then which entity holds data in VBA? It's a variable. We hold data in a variable. Option D is correct. Which worksheet method is used to copy a sheet to another location in the workbook? No, we simply do copy. Copy is a function available in VBA. It will copy the required portion and prepare it for pasting in another portion. Okay, copy is the function. Option B is correct. In VBA, which VBA worksheet property returns or sets string value that represents object name? It's the property window. You just look at this property window. Here, name, just look at this. Name. Name is the string value which sets the property name. Command button 1. Okay. You change it to command button 2. The button will be called command button 2. Okay. Where do we set the name? That is the question. Okay. It's a name property. It is a property called name. And 30th question. Which method displays the data form associated with the worksheet in VBA? We have a worksheet and we wish to show a form. Show a form. Show data form. Show data form. There is no space. There should not be any space. Show data form. Okay, data form is meant for acquiring data and entering it to Excel. And acquiring data just like our MS Access form. It's like an MS Access form. We enter some data and it goes off to Excel worksheet. Okay, data form. Show data form. Okay. Understand Anaconda. என்ன படம் கில்லி இன்னமும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது அர்னால்டு படம் டைட்டிலா விடுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்களா? You need to follow anything in English as well as in Tamil. Okay. And you need to interact only in English. When we conduct theory classes, it's strictly English. When we go in for practical classes, it's strictly Tamil. Not strictly Tamil, Tamil plus English. Okay. It is for exposing you to the real world situations. You will not be given opportunities when you know only Tamil. When you seek job, English is an additional qualification in addition to your technical skills and knowledge. So try to speak in English. It may be wrong, don't hesitate. Over a period of time, you will understand that English is also as fluent as Tamil. Whatever you think, it simply comes out. No problem at all. Acquire fluency in English. Okay, we shall go on to practical. We have 15 minutes. We will finish practical.